President Draupadi Murmu will lead the nation in celebrating the 75th Republic Day today from Kartavya Path in New Delhi to witness nation's Atmanirbhar military prowess and growing Nari Shakti. President Draupadi Murmu has approved Gallantry Award for 80 Armed Forces personnel, including 12 posthumously. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has extended warm greetings on the joyous occasion of the 75th Republic Day today and appealed to the people to recommit themselves to the principles enshrined in the Constitution and to work together for a stronger, better Bharat. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has congratulated all those who have been conferred the Padma Awards and added that may they continue to inspire people with their exceptional work. On the eve of the 75th Republic Day, Union Home and Corporation Minister Amit Shah today launched e-bus services for Jammu Smart City virtually from New Delhi.